Hello and welcome everyone to part 4 of the Mercedes-Benz restoration project. So in today's video we're going to continue where we left last time. As you saw, we sprayed the car in the last video. Now we're going to continue putting the car back together. We're going to assemble all the miscellaneous stuff that we took out in order to spray the car. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see we finished assembling the front end of the car. We got both headlights and turn signals back installed. Now we're gonna install the hood emblem. As you noticed before, it was missing on the car. We got us a brand new OEM one, as you can see, genuine parts. This is the pieces that you gotta have genuine because it's the signature of the car. This is one of the most iconic special part that sets Mercedes-Benz apart, especially in the 90s. Okay guys, so as you saw we got the front end of the car buttoned up. We installed the grille, all the headlights and the badge here. Still have the number plate, stuff like that. Anyway, now we have those turn signals that mounts on the fender on the sides. We got two brand new ones. We're gonna throw them in. Okay guys, so here we are the next day. We're going to continue where we left last night. We assembled the front end. We're going to give the car a quick clean up because the paint took its time and now it's cured. We still have to assemble some trim around the roof and around both front and the rear glass. So let's get straight to work. Okay guys, so now that we got the car clean and shiny, we're gonna put the trim back together. Okay guys, so as you saw, we installed all the trim pieces on the car, the roof rails and around both the front and the rear glass. Now we're gonna put some protective sealant on the car. We're gonna use some wax, which is gonna give her some more shine and it's gonna protect it from the elements. So let's show you how it's done. Okay guys, so here we have the wax that we're gonna be using. The way you do it is you put some on the panel that you want to wax, just like that. Then use the applicator pad supplied with the bottle. Do it with circular motions. So when the product looks like this on the car, you wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, then wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel. So as you can see guys, this is the haziness that's produced by the wax when it's dried. This is when you wipe it off on the hood and on the fender. So you need to turn this to this. Okay guys, so now we're gonna turn our focus on the mechanical side of the car. We have one specific problem, which is when you switch gears in the car, it makes a clicking sound and the car goes like trick like this. So we're gonna lift her up using its OEM jack and put it on some jack stands and take a gander from the underside. Okay guys, so as you saw, we lifted the car from the rear up, put her on some jack stands. Now we're gonna get inside the car, crank her up and switch between the gears to see where the clunking sound is coming from. Guys, so as you saw, we finished and put the car back on the ground. We only diagnosed the problems that we have. We have a couple of control arms that are bad and a couple of bushings under the car, like the differential bushing and maybe the subframe bushings. Anyway, we're going to leave that for another video. For now, we have reached the end of this restoration series. We transformed this car from a junkyard piece to a gem. In the next video, we're going to be starting on a new epic project, so stay tuned.